In the name of who, good afternoon. Today is Friday, time in Sydney, Australia right now. As you can see on the corner here is 12:59, almost 1 o'clock. Date is 28th of the June 2024. This is part 5 for the Bitcoin that I gave you the level and I show you the stop loss and where market is heading. If you watch my video, I show you this. About 21 hours ago, yesterday, I announced for new level for the Bitcoin in part 4, and I explained to you and I said that I have actually entered the trade and I show you the level and a stop loss. Let me show you the screenshot. When I upload the video part 4, the price was here. I mentioned that to you guys. The price is heading to this level of 61,489, and I have said if price come into this area of our buying zone, if we get the signal, we can buy it to this level, if it comes to buying zone, and then we can buy it to this level. But we need to see the sign, or we need to get a signal in this area, and if price continue going to our selling zone, then if we get a signal of the sell, which is this red one in this area, we can sell it. But when I entered the trade and I was making the part 4, I'll show you this indicator shows that I am in the trade, and at that time it was on loss. When it's green, it's meaning on your profit. When it turns black, is break even. When it's red, it's loss. This is the screenshot I did for you when I make the part 4, 21 hours ago. If you are interested, please watch this one. Exactly what I have said to you. I don't change my word, and you can see it now what happened. Before I go to the chart, as always, please pause the video and read this, and I show you the chart now. This is live chart. Now time is 2 minutes past 1 p.m. and we start here and we enter to the trade here, and this one was our stop loss. And I always mention this: when market come and hit the stop loss, you do not panic to close the trade in rush. What you should do is, if price coming like this, one candlestick red, do not close the trade. Wait for the second candlestick. If the second candlestick still is red, close the trade in loss. But if second candlestick is green, like this one, you continue your trade. If you are interested to do more and you are greedy, you can enter another entry for same location or same level. So these are the things I have mentioned over and over in our channel for the stop loss. You can watch and you can see that I always say same thing. So market came, as you can see here, hit the stop loss. At the time, I have to admit this, I was not watching the platform and I did not see if this candlestick hit. I would wait for the second one, which is this one. If this one is red, I have to close the trade, because I wasn't at the time babysitting the chart. I did not close the trade. But when I look at the chart again, I saw, as I have predicted before to you guys, I said if price going up, coming back to our buying zone, which is buying zone here in this area, and I mentioned to you guys, when it comes to buying zone here, if we get the signal, we can buy it. But this one is no more valid because already we have a signal to buy. For this reason, I did not close this trade and I let it go, and this is the second entry, okay, because we had another signal to buy, and this is the first entry and this is the second entry, and market went right, hit that level. I'm predict for you 21 hours ago. And then what I have said, if price come into the selling zone, if we get a red signal, we can sell it to this level of 61,489. Market went to selling zone, but we did not have any sign or signal to sell. Although if I show you this, if I go to 10 minutes, I don't have any signal. If I go to 5 minutes, I don't have any signal. Again here, no signal. 3 minutes, we don't have any signal. So because we didn't have any signal in any time frame, I did not enter the trade, although market went right close to this level that I predict for you, and still price is here. As you can see, market now is moving. This is live chart, this is live account. You see this red dot just appear here and disappear. So because it's 15 minutes time frame, we have to wait for this candlestick to mature. And if this red dot is here, this is going to be another hidden support and resistance in past for us, which we can rely on that, and then according to that we can make the entry for the buy or sell if we have signal. Okay, as you can see that the red dot is disappear, but maybe come back because we have another 8 minutes 37 for this candlestick to mature and finish. So now the time frame is 15 minutes. So what I have said to you about what's going to happen to Bitcoin, exactly it was correct and happening, and I was in the trade, as you can double check on this video which I entered the trade, and I have the screenshot. As you can see here was my entry, and the market went and hit the level and we came out of the trade with a profit. Why I'm not going to enter today's trade first? Because it's too late now. If it was here I would, and most important, I don't have any red signal like this red signal in this area to enter to trade for this level, but market eventually would come and hit this level. We have more level which I gave you before in part 1. It still is valid, which is, how many days ago I did? 3 days ago I did that. If price coming to this, above this level, which is, let me show you this. If price going to this level, and then if we get a signal, we can sell it to this level. These are still valid from 3 days ago, and the level was $63,508.70 US dollar. Okay, yes. So let me put that level for you, 63,508.70. $62,507, I think. Let me double check. 63,508 and 70. 508 and 70. Okay, that's the prediction that I have for you guys from past. And then again, another thing, price might come down. If it comes down to this buying zone again, which I don't do it because already happening here, but there is a chance we can buy it to this level again. So I gave you 2 scenarios. You have to wait, go to the selling zone and comes to buying zone or whatever. This is for selling zone and this is for buying zone in future. So Thanks God what I have said to you guys, it was correct. In the name of who? So again, if price come to this level of selling zone, if we get a red signal, we can sell it to this level. If price come back again to buying zone, and then we can buy it to this level, which is 60,639.31 cents American dollars. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family. As I always say, the prediction and direction and the trade I did for you guys about 21 hours ago, it was correct and hit the level. Thanks God. Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo. Done. Finish.